Some of you might have seen my video when I made this hulking beast of a resin and wood blank, and I've been doing some investigating in it, and it's just not setting at all. I did a few cuts, and this was 3 weeks ago, and it's just not setting at all. Top bits, well, fuck, I don't know. I think the problem is that some of the resin was a bit old and it's not so good. So I've started having a little cuts around here. Look at that. So what I'm going to do, I think, is to slice it open and just look at the state of affairs inside. Now I was going to use my chainsaw, but I'm not going to use that because if it is shitty gravy mush inside, it's going to fly everywhere, gum up the saw. I don't want to do that. I don't know what I'm going to find, so it's going to be a handsaw and a bit of elbow grease. Yeah, elbow grease goes a long way. What a load of shit, eh? What a load of shit. I cannot tell you how surprised and utterly chuffed I am. I'm expecting a real explosion of just uncured nonsense inside here. I expected resin to be flucking about like unwanted syrup all over the place, but no, it's actually solid. It's actually solid. So it must be that this gloopy stuff was just on the outside. I am so surprised. This could have been an expensive feck up, and it turns out that it might be, just might be, all right. And how did I do it? Well, you saw how I did it. This was the beast. I was going to use my chainsaw, but then I was expecting all that goo. So I used this Axis instead. And it roars. It absolutely roars through it. It's a bit warm, because I've pushed it a little bit. But man, what a surprise. Hey! Jeff's got his wooden bongos. Right, the plan is now to carve out, with some kind of implements, some bowl shapes, inside and out. How I'm going to do that? Well, I haven't thought about that bit yet, have I? But I am pleased.